Castor oil has been revered for centuries as a versatile and potent natural remedy. Extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, castor oil is renowned for its various health and beauty benefits, including its use as a laxative, moisturizer, hair growth stimulant, and more. However, despite its wide range of applications, castor oil is a powerful substance that requires careful handling and usage. Misuse or overuse can lead to unwanted side effects, and in some cases, severe health risks. In today's video we are revealing 13 fatal mistakes to avoid in using castor oil to ensure safe and effective use. 1. Ignoring allergic reactions. One of the most significant mistakes people make when using castor oil is not testing for allergic reactions. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which can cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, redness, swelling, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing. To avoid this, always conduct a patch test before using castor oil on a larger area of your body. Apply a small amount of oil to a patch of skin, such as the inner forearm, and wait 24 hours to see if any reaction occurs. 2. Overusing castor oil as a laxative. Castor oil is commonly used as a natural laxative due to its ability to stimulate bowel movements. However, overusing it can lead to serious digestive problems. Excessive use of castor oil can cause abdominal cramps, diarrhea, dehydration, and an imbalance of electrolytes. It's crucial to use castor oil laxatives sparingly and only under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Over-reliance on castor oil for bowel movements can lead to dependence and weaken the muscles in the intestines. 3. Using castor oil during pregnancy. Another potentially fatal mistake is using castor oil during pregnancy without medical supervision. Castor oil is known to induce labor by stimulating the uterus. Pregnant women who ingest castor oil to induce labor risk premature labor and other complications. It can also cause severe diarrhea, leading to dehydration, which can be dangerous for both the mother and the baby. Pregnant women should always consult their doctor before using castor oil for any purpose. For applying castor oil to broken skin. Applying castor oil to broken or irritated skin is another mistake that can have adverse effects. While castor oil has moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, it can also cause irritation when applied to cuts, burns, or eczema. Castor oil's thick consistency can trap bacteria and other pathogens against the skin, exacerbating infections. Always ensure the skin is intact and clean before applying castor oil, and consult a healthcare professional if you have open wounds or severe skin conditions. 5. Using castor oil in the eyes. Castor oil is sometimes used in eye drops for its soothing properties, but using the wrong type of castor oil can be harmful. Only pharmaceutical-grade, sterile castor oil should be used in the eyes. Using regular castor oil, which is not purified for ophthalmic use, can lead to severe irritation, infections, and potential damage to the cornea. It is vital to only use products specifically formulated for eye use and to follow the instructions provided by healthcare professionals. 6. Ingesting castor oil without proper dosage. Ingesting castor oil without knowing the proper dosage can lead to serious health risks. The oil is potent, and even small amounts can have strong laxative effects. An overdose of castor oil can cause severe gastrointestinal distress, nausea, vomiting, and dehydration. In extreme cases, it can lead to a condition known as castor oil poisoning, which can be life-threatening. Always follow the recommended dosage on the product label or consult a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount for your needs. 7. Applying castor oil directly to the scalp without dilution. Many people use castor oil to promote hair growth, but applying it directly to the scalp without dilution can cause more harm than good. Castor oil is thick and viscous, and applying it undiluted can clog pores and cause scalp irritation. To avoid this, always mix castor oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil, before applying it to the scalp. This not only helps in better absorption but also reduces the risk of irritation and buildup. 8. Ignoring potential drug interactions. Castor oil can interact with certain medications, potentially reducing their effectiveness or causing harmful side effects. For example, when used with diuretics, castor oil's laxative effect can lead to excessive loss of fluids and electrolytes, resulting in dehydration. Similarly, castor oil can interfere with the absorption of certain medications, rendering them less effective. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using castor oil if you are on medication to avoid any adverse interactions. 9. Using castor oil on infants and young children. Using castor oil on infants and young children without professional guidance can be dangerous. Babies have delicate skin that is more permeable than that of adults, making them more susceptible to irritation and toxicity. Ingesting even small amounts of castor oil can cause severe diarrhea and dehydration in young children. Parents should always consult a pediatrician before using castor oil on their children and should never give it to them orally. 10. Storing castor oil improperly. Improper storage of castor oil can lead to degradation and contamination, making it unsafe to use. Castor oil should be stored in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to prevent it from becoming rancid. Using expired or contaminated castor oil can cause skin irritation, infections, and other adverse effects. Always check the expiration date on the bottle and discard any oil that has changed in color, consistency, or smell. 11. Using castor oil for weight loss. Some people mistakenly use castor oil for weight loss, believing its laxative effect can help shed pounds. This is not only ineffective but also dangerous. Castor oil-induced diarrhea can lead to dehydration, electrolyte imbalances, and nutrient deficiencies, which are detrimental to health. Weight loss should be approached through healthy diet and exercise, not through the misuse of laxatives like castor oil. 12. Applying castor oil to sensitive areas. Applying castor oil to sensitive areas of the body, such as the genitals or mucous membranes, without proper dilution or preparation can cause severe irritation and discomfort. Castor oil's thick consistency and potent nature mean it can be harsh on delicate skin, leading to redness, itching, and even chemical burns in extreme cases. Always use caution when applying castor oil to sensitive areas, and consult with a healthcare provider for guidance. 13. Not consulting a healthcare professional. One of the most critical mistakes is not consulting a healthcare professional before using castor oil, especially for medical purposes. While castor oil has many benefits, its potent properties can cause serious side effects if misused. A healthcare professional can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current condition, ensuring safe and effective use of castor oil. Never self-diagnose or self-treat with castor oil without professional guidance.